Well, good morning, sleepyheads. Well, today's Thursday. And the sun is just coming up a little bit here. Got today off. I got to take the trailer, my little camper trailer, up to the highway patrol. It's about, it'll probably be a good hour ride up there. It's like 48 degrees this morning, slight breeze blowing. And, I gotta make sure I got a key for that lock, which I'm pretty sure I do. And, lock the hitch. You want a red hat? How bad do you want a red hat? Red hat? You tell him. Well, I'm back from the highway patrol. I didn't get any footage over there. I didn't want to rock the boat any. I know it's a public place, blah, 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 but anyway. I got to unhook the trailer and I'll back it in the shop here and tell you all about it. This dog has been itching to get outside. I don't blame him. But man, the leaves have really been coming off the trees here last few days with the winds we've had. I guess I could show you, huh? Got a little fire pit area over here. Usually we haven't used it really. I mean, a couple of times, maybe just to burn some sticks. Easton's out here sniffing around. Chickens, I let them out. They've been hanging out underneath the deck. Oh, poor gray girl. She looks terrible. She's been molting. And she's pretty much the most, I don't know, tame chicken. I can walk up to her and pick her up, you know. But yeah, she looks terrible. She kind of reminds me of, you know, I don't know how I want to put it. The next morning out of an all-night bender, you know what I mean? Anyway, well, I'm gonna get this trailer unhooked and we'll get it back in the shop and tell y'all what's going on. Anyway, well, when I went down and got this trailer, the seller said that he couldn't find a VIN number anywhere. Well, we took it to the Highway Patrol this morning and we found a VIN number, a VIN plate. But there's two numbers that's wore down pretty good. The VIN plate is missing, I'd say, a little bit of the left side of it. But the VIN number, the trailer manufacturer, where it was manufactured, which is, the weird thing is Maryville, Missouri, which is North Missouri. Evidently they manufactured them up there. Now, the manufacturer is no longer in business. So, I came home today. Well, I got done up there. I went down to Home Depot, where Miss Linda works. Had to stop in and see that hottie for a little bit, and then came home, parked it behind the house here, and I went inside and I sat down in the chair and took about a 3-hour nap from about 11 o'clock to 2 o'clock. Yeah, I woke up and I was still tired, so I made some coffee. So anyway, yeah, I called the guy that sold me the trailer. I'm sorry if it went dark. I called the guy that sold me the trailer, and he said he'd do whatever he could do to make it right. So I have to send him some paperwork and take a picture of this VIN plate. The idea I have is to take a little WD-40 and clean the VIN plate off, get the whole VIN, and then send him that. He'll fill out the paperwork, and hopefully get it notarized. One thing I did do was call the Oklahoma Highway Patrol down there, and I posed the question. Does the state of Oklahoma require trailers to be titled and registered? And the answer to that question was some trailers. All right, what's that mean? I'm guessing that commercial trailers like for lawn care service. Maybe trailers that are like a certain weight and over have to be registered and titled. Yeah, I'm checking on you. Well, he's just a sniffing all around. But I can't keep this door open very long because the leaves will just blow in the shop. But it's not going to make much difference because, yeah, I still need to clean the shop up. So, anyway. But that was the extent of my day. Well, I guess I'm gonna get the bike in here and take the trailer hitch off the bike, or the ball anyway, and put my blocking plate back in. And I haven't been up to the post office in a couple of weeks, so maybe I'll run up there. Maybe I'll see if I got anything in the mail. And I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll post the address right down here at the bottom. And if y'all want to send anything, that's my post office box for the channel. I should say our post office box. Sorry. I don't know, a few videos back, we got a little box in the mail from a subscriber up in Iowa. And it took a little while because I was waiting for a couple of things in the mail. And we sent them a nice little package back for being our first piece of mail from a subscriber in our post office box. So, Easton, what are you doing? What are you doing? Anyway, yeah. I hope y'all are having a good day. I know I am because I'm not behind the wheel of a truck. Hey. Hey, Easton, sit. Sit. Tell him, you want a red hat? Hey. You want a red hat, right? Hey. SDR hat? Easton, sit. Tell him, hey. Yeah. So, I hope y'all are having a good day. You know, things will work out. And I do have another solution, but I'm not gonna bring it up here. So, I guess I'll jump off here and I guess get some stuff done. I don't know. Yeah, you guys might have noticed the motorcycle back here, but that's not mine. I'm storing it for a friend of mine. And he had to put a battery in it to get it running. I think it's a Yamaha or something like that. I don't know. But the weird thing was, is it a Yamaha? That's what I call it. No, it's a Honda. It's a Honda. Honda. But it doesn't sound like that. Yeah, the weird thing is put the battery in it and put it in gear and it'd die. Well, evidently, some of these manufacturers have put a switch in the kickstand. The kickstand has to be up to put it in gear. Well, you can put it in gear, but to keep it running, the kickstand has to be up. I guess it's a child-proof safety feature, you know, in case one of your kids jumps on the bike, you know, and accidentally slams it in gear. But, well, I guess I'll jump off here and We'll talk at you later. Have a good day. I hope you're having a good day. I've got tomorrow off. I might even get the lawnmower out tomorrow and mulch up some of these leaves, but there's still quite a few leaves up in the trees, but it is what it is. So, we got one cat out here, and man, she rubs up against Easton, and he doesn't like it very well. Isn't that right, Easton? Yeah, there she. Anyway, y'all say hi to a stranger, and be good, and we will talk at you later.